Welcome back everybody to Cooking with Transition. Today we're going to make something really different. It's called Crunchy Nacho Crescent Dogs. What we're going to need for our ingredients, first we need some crescent rolls. A whole tube which has 8 crescents in it. We're going to need 2 cups of crushed Doritos. We need 4 hot dogs. Today we're using turkey dogs, but you can use beef dogs, chicken dogs, any kind of dogs you like. And we're going to need some cheddar cheese, any kind you like, or the shredded cheese, sorry, or any other cheese that you like. And we need some milk. Okay. Our cooking utensils for today is going to be my oven, which is the major part. And then we're going to come on over here to my baking sheet, and I have some parchment paper in it. Next on our list is we need 2 plates, a brush, a rolling pin, a Ziploc bag, a measuring cup, and tongs. Okay guys, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is preheat my oven to 375. So first I need to push bake. Okay, now I need to put the temperature to 375. There it goes, 375, and push start. There it goes, it's gonna warm up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and crush our Doritos. So I'm going to open up my Ziploc bag. I'm just gonna pour some in there. Okay. We'll see how much we get when we're done. Okay. Put that aside. We may need some more. We're going to take our rolling pin and we're just going to crush them. Pretty easy, guys. Okay. Not too crunched up. And we're going to put them in our measuring cup. Because remember, we need 2. So let's see how much this makes. Oops, I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. You know what? We're going to need a lot more of these chips, so let's pour a lot more in there. Here we go. Ready? Hold your ends and roll. Okay. Our pin is rolling away. Okay. So we're going to pour it on a couple plates. We need 1 more of these. I think a good idea would be to pour this over the plate. Then we don't make much of a mess. Okay. All right. But I think what we should do next is maybe wipe off the table a little bit. Always have your trash can available. There we go. Good as new. All right, we're going to put our Doritos aside. Now we're going to take our crescent roll. First, it's a little tricky to open. You need to peel off the wrapper. There we go. Now you're going to give it a pretty medium tap on the table, and that will pop it open. And we're going to use our orange plate for this part. Let's roll it out. Okay. Now what we need to do is we're going to get 1 of the triangles off the roll. And we're going to get another triangle off the roll. There we go. We're going to put the two triangles together to make a rectangle. Okay, and you're going to pinch the seams, just like this. We're going to take our shredded cheese, and we're just going to put some in the middle. Okay. I'm going to take one hot dog, put it on the cheese. Then we're going to take our short ends and fold them over. Our other short end and fold it over. Now, we're going to take one of our long sides, put it over the hot dog, and roll it up. Okay. Making sure that you're pinching off the seams. Okay. All right, now we're ready to brush on some milk over our crescent dogs. Okay, just pour whatever amount you think is best. So the first thing, we're going to take our brush and dip it in the milk, and we're going to brush the dough. Just give it a good brushing. Okay, we're going to roll it in the nacho cheese Doritos. Look at this, guys. This is what's going to make it very, very crunchy. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. All right, guys, it looks like we're ready to put them in the oven. Remember, the oven will be hot, so don't forget to put on your pot holders. Have someone help you put them in the oven. Okay. Very, very careful. And shut your door. It's going to take around 20 minutes for them to be ready, or until they're golden brown. So let's wait and see. All right, let's take a look. Oh my gosh, everyone, they are done. Ooh, they're golden brown. And here they are. Look how much the crescent puffed up over the hot dogs. All right, so you guys can serve them with anything you want, hot sauce, ketchup, or just eat them plain. We are done now, so I hope you guys enjoy them. Till next time, cooking with transition. Bye.